best feeling ever when you are hiking in the woods and it's a bit chilly to find this foresty bar and sit next to the warming live fire.
Hello, we are Joni and Sarah from Vantastic, and this time we are in Poland.
Cold, rainy Poland.
But still good.
Time to be outdoors and grill food. And feel kind of good now because the rain stopped. It has been incredible wet and not so good weathers.
We have been just hooking. So hyggeily is when you go inside and have a really good time, just doing nothing. And maybe on your underwear, and that's it.
But after a while you get cabin fever, so we wanted to go outside and found this amazing park area where you can have a little bonfire. And it always cheers us up when we can cook food outside with the live fire.
Onks tosta tuli halu vaista tehdä tulia? Näyttää epäviralliset paikat.
Way to go, honey. Use tools. Don't be an ape.
We are just in the border of Czechia. Czechia's border is like 1 kilometer away. And here is a good woody areas and lots of these lesny parks. So lesny is forest, and so forest parks. There's usually a couple of fireplaces or fire pits. And it's not yet a fire ban season because it's just raining, so there's no fire ban, so we can make food and live fire. It always tastes so much better to eat outside than inside the van. Some potatoes and hamburgers on the grill. I'm just making small patties because I have small burgers or hams or burger hams. Hamburger, that doesn't make any sense. There's no ham, and burger is in American, it's minced meat. So it's a ham minced meat, no bun at all.
Szwinka.
Szwinka in Polish. My hamburgers are ready, so I can start doing them. So 1 bun, it's a mini burger. And really good pickles, not sugar at all. And sauce, it's not Save sauce or some brand name, it's sauce in Polish. Yum.
I kind of forgot to grill my sweet paprikas, but they taste so good. Not grilled too. And everything else tastes like salt and ashes. Yeah. And these Polish pickles, they are so good. So juicy. It's weird to make food outside when there's not 10 stray dogs begging for food. It's so weird that it's just 2 of us and 0 animals here. Stomachs full, we are rested and ready to hit the road again.
And I used the OpenStreetMap to scout a couple of natural springs because our water tank is completely empty. So I hope this time of year at least there's a good flow on those natural springs.
And do you know where we are located? Over that hill is a New Country Day.
Czechia!
Czechia! We are going to pop there.
Yeah, and now when it's cold, it's again really a gem that we have the shower inside our van, because in Greece there was so warm that we could go deep in the sea or shower outside. But now, when it's freezing cold temperatures, when you have the inside shower,
hot shower, it makes the difference, and you don't feel bad going outdoors to sweat or being in the gloomy day, because you know the hot shower is there waiting for you. And can you hear the birds chirping? They are so loud.
Yeah, and Now when we have gone shower, we have empty water tanks, so we need to find water. But we are on the mountains area or hilly area at the moment, so there is a plenty of natural springs around. And here we are driving in the middle of the border. Those posts over there on the side of the road, they are the border posts. So we are just going over the border with the van with non-people or border cars around. Yeah, that's a good thing. Open borders works great.
Hello, Czechia!
Hello, New Country Day!
You look sunny! Way sunnier than Poland was. Yeah, nice little road. Hopefully we can score the water. We really need it.
No, it's a springtime and it's so slow. No, we don't fill our tank with that water. It's like 2 or 3 hours. So off we go and try to find some better natural springs. It's always miss or hit with the natural springs because sometimes they are slow because they are natural.
Look what we bump into. A little hut in the forest. This is a forest cafe.
Also there's a beer and sausages that you can make yourself here, and it's paid by honesty system. The beer was 1.1 euros and this is 1 euro.
Best feeling ever when you are hiking in the woods and it's a bit chilly, to find this foresty bar and sit next to the warming live fire and enjoy some beverages. And there's an even menu or price list.
And also there's a chair to people who has balls.
And everything here is a self-service and it's based on honor system. Kinda nice place. And this would be totally illegal in Finland, because what if kids drink alcohol here and nobody is supervising them? Yeah, we love Europe. So free and honest people everywhere.
Sausage taste test. Really tasty sausage and the mustard. Really good. Horses, so I think this is hot mustard. I like it. If I see this in a grocery store, I will buy it. This was refreshing pause from driving, and we will leave the eternal fire here for the next quests. And everything works with the honesty system, so you drop the money there and we left a generous tip, because one of the best things in whole Europe. Lesni bar. Just a 2-kilometer walk back to the van.
And now we feel less blue. Always enjoying walking in the nature.
Yeah, even on the grey weather like this.
Yeah, it gets inside of your mood, and when you are inside of the van all the time you get cabin fever. So now it's not raining. What a perfect time to go for a little walk.
But always when coming to Poland or Czechia, we always just enjoy the nature.
Yeah, impressive wood carvings. They fit very well here in the nature. I'm impressed. I bet our vlogs are total random. We are back in Poland. We could not find any water from Czechia, so we're gonna try to the sunny and little warmer Poland in the lower elevation.
Yeah, voda pitna. I don't know what it means. Maybe clean water or potable water.
We came back to Poland because we couldn't find water from Czechia. But now we found water from Poland. This is some kind of forest parking spot. Our van is here. And we can hear clearly the road going there. But otherwise this is pretty spot because there's no trash. There is some tables and benches and fire making spot and little hut. And we can see the pretty trees. Not much solar, but we don't need it because we have been driving a lot. Yeah. I think we will go to hot shower now that we have a water tank full of fresh water and enjoy the evening. Yeah. Weather affects so much in your mood. I'm in a happy mood because I can see the sunbeams and not just miserable rainy water coming here. Ah!